every cyclist knows that a flat tire can happen anytime and anywhere. Kaya naman dapat ang rider marunong siya magpalit ng flat tire efficiently and effectively, lalo na kung mag-isa siya or he's riding with a group. But today, we are putting that skill to a test. I'm having a friendly competition with none other than Jenny Cycle from New York. Wow, naka-shades pa. And we will see kung kaya niya akong talunin sa pabilisan ng pagpapalit ng gulong. Only here on YouTube. Ito na ramdam ko ng kinakabahan si Jenny sa laban na to. Pero Jenny, bakit ba important for a cyclist, especially for a female cyclist, na marunong siyang magpalit ng flat tire?
Very important kasi it's empowering for a woman to, take care of themselves and not really depend on someone, especially a man. Kaya it's, knowing how to change your tire, importante talaga. Mas independent ka, strong.
Strong, independent woman, diba?
Yes.
So, may mga cyclists na they prefer using tubeless tires kasi it's easier for them na makarecover sa ride kapag yun ang gamit nila. But there are also some cyclists na ang preferred pa rin nila ay yung may interior, yung clincher type. Tama?
Tama, but also even if you have tubeless, pwede ka ding in the end, you need to still change your tire kasi kung hindi man mag-work yung tube, wala kang sealant or so last resort pa rin is to change your own tire.
So in short, kailangan talaga marunong ka magpalit ng, kala ko makakatakas ako pero kailangan mo talagang magpalit ng tire. So Jenny, are you ready?
Ready or not?
Ready? The stopwatch in 5, 4, 3, and go. Baklas ka na, kuya. Pinapawisan ako.
Ang hirap bago. Pinapawisan tayong dalawa.
Sobra. Ay, sorry! Sorry po.
Hala, kalahati lang tatanggalin mo.
So, kalahati lang ba tatanggalin?
Ayaw nung sa akin, promise.
So, ang gagawin nyo, hahanapin nyo kung saan yung butas. Just to... Kasi pwede mo siyang i-patch or kung meron kang extra interior, pwede nyo nang gamitin. Paano kung wala? Diba? So kung gano'n.
Kung butas na to, you'll change it to a new one. Tapos check mo muna sa loob.
Mali? Ay, baliktad.
Check mo muna siya if merong bubog. So, if clear na,
Paano?
change ko na ulit.
Ha? Okay pa kayo? 17 minutes in.
Wow, grabe.
Mabilis lang to. Kaya nang iba to ng mga 5 minutes, di ba?
Oo. Pawis na nga ako eh.
Kara, help please.
Hala.
So Kara is a friend also from the East. Thank you, Kara. Sometimes, all you need to do is lower down your pride and call for help. So thank you, Kara. What are you doing now, Kara? Do you need help? Oh my gosh, ang galing ni Kara! Ito na dito. Magbobomba na po tayo.
Magalan mo
Let's go, Kara. Let's go. E75. Pero ngayon, since wala tayong monitor, tansya-tansya muna tayo. And now, I'm done! Yay! Thank you so much, Kiara! I think we have a winner, and the winner is not me. The winner is Kiara. Congratulations!
Wait lang, malapit na ako.
Meanwhile,
Malapit na.
I think Jenny needs help. Let's welcome Jenny's husband, also from New York. Jose, halika na rito, mag-enter frame ka na. How do you do this?
Madali lang siya. No, wait lang. Madali lang yun. Ay, lumalabas yung hangin.
Everyone, this is Jose, Jenny's
Diba?
husband.
Naka-change tayo ng tire 30 minutes. Grabe.
Hey, second placer!
Ah! Oh my gosh.
Congratulations
after 30
to me and
diba?
Kiara.
We know how to change. Matagal lang.
Yeah, and
The
ako...
competition.
Correct. And ako, I think, sabi ko nga kanina, I've been cycling for years, pero hindi talaga ako super skilled to change a flat tire. And I think my learning this afternoon is, I really need to know how to change one. Kasi, di ba, there are times na we wanna be alone when we're riding. Paano ako pag mag-isa ka na lang? Sa Pilipinas, pwede maglalamove. Sa US, pwede mag-Uber. Pero paano pag nasa mountains ka? Hindi ka naman pwedeng abutin na lang ng gabi ron. So, I think that's it, folks. We have a winner for today. And the winner is not necessarily me. But thank you for that very friendly competition. Maraming salamat po. And this is how you change a flat tire. My name is Paul Garcia, and this is Unison TV.